Our title of project is Prepare Specification for Client Server Network under the guidance of MB Power Sir and ST Tamboli Sir. The course name is Data Communication and Computer Networks and course code is 224. Project Extract. Client server denotes a relationship between cooperating program in an application composed of client initiating request for service and servers providing that function or services. Client server network are the computer network that are dedicated computer server to store data, manage and provide resource and control user access. The server acts as a central point on the network upon which the other computer connects to. A computer that connects the server is called a client. Introduction to the client server. Client server network. A client server network is a medium through which a client accesses resource and service from central computer via either a local area network like LAN and a wide area network like WAN, such as the internet. A Unix server called a daemon may be employed for the sole purpose of awaiting client request, at which point the network connection is initiated until the client request has been fulfilled. Network traffic is categorized as a client to server, north-south traffic, or server to server, east-west traffic. Popular network service include email, file sharing, printing, and World Wide Web. A major advantage of the client-server network is the central management of applications and data. This is a diagram related to the client-server network. In this diagram, the server is connected to the 4 clients. Advantages of client-server network. There are numerous advantages of client-server architecture model. First is a single server hosting all the required data in a single place facilitates easy protection of data and management of user authorization and authentication. Resource Second one is resource such as network segment, servers and computers can be added to a client-server network without any significant interruptions. Third one is data can be accessed efficiently without requiring clients and the servers to be in close proximity. Fourth one is all nodes in the client-server system are independent, requesting data only from the servers, which facilitates easy upgrades, replacement, and relocation of those nodes. And last one is the data that is transferred through the client-server protocols are platform agnostics. This is another word diagram that relates to the client-server network. Specification for client-server network. System requirement. Server requirement with up to 5 workstations. MT32 version 20.8 and above. Minimum server configuration. Dual core Pentium CPU or equivalent. 2 GB DDR2 RAM. 250 GB SATA and 7200 RPM HDD. Standard UPS. Windows 7 Professional 2008 server. Server requirement with up to 10 workstation. Minimum server configuration. Dual core CPU or equivalent. 4 GB DDR2 RAM. 2 into 300 GB SCSI or 2 into 300 GB SATA. 7200 RPM HDD on RAID 1. SMRT UPS with serial or USB interface. Windows 2008 standard server. System requirement. Server requirement is up to the 25 workstation. Minimum server configuration. Quad core CPU or higher. 8 GB DDR3 RAM. 2 into 500 GB SCSI or 2 into 500 GB SATA. 7200 RPM HDD on RAID 1. SMRT UPS with the serial or USB interface. Windows 2008 or 2008 R2 standard server. Server requirement up to the 50 workstation. Quad core Neon CPU, 8 GB DDR3 ECC RAM, 3 into 500 GB SCSI or SAS1 5000 RPM HDD on RAID 5 SMRT UPS with serial or USB interface plus redundant power supply. These are the system specifications for client server. The conclusion of our project. In this project, we learn about client server network and its advantages and specifications.